Anyway, so Federica is an independent expert and the lead organizer of Our Ladies Room with a background in statistics. Her expertise also extends to collaborative environments, as we'll learn more about in this session. So, Federica, the floor is now yours.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for the introduction and for having me today talking about learning together with Shiny Book Clubs. My name is Federica Gazzelloni, and I am an actuary, always open to new insights about data modelings and visualizations. I also enjoy finding in-depth patterns while expanding my knowledge. You can find a bit more about me and all my ongoing projects here at github.com/fgazzelloni. Also, currently I'm writing a book titled Health Metrics and the Spread of Infectious Diseases. So, did you know that the demand for data scientists has increased by 650% since 2012? So this is according to LinkedIn's 2017 US Emerging Jobs reports. Yet, mastering the tool of the trade, like Shiny, remains a challenge for many. But using the words of Adley Wigan in his book, Mastering Shiny, Shiny is designed to feel almost magically easy when you are getting started. And yet, the deeper you get into how it works, the more you realize it's built out of general building blocks that have strong software engineering principles behind them. Today, I want to share with you how data science book clubs can be powerful, a powerful tool for learning how to make Shiny apps, and also how they can contribute to our collective growth and understanding in this field. This is how I keep going, learning and practicing. Thanks to John Harmon and all the data science learning community, former R4 data science, I learned a lot and made new friends. You can follow many book clubs, but the most important one is Mastering Shiny. The author, as I said, is Adley Wigan. There are other book clubs about Shiny, such as Engineering Production Grade Shiny Apps, which is called Book Club EPGS. The authors are Colin Fain, Sebastian Roquette, just to name a few. And then finally, we've got another book club, which is called Shiny UI. The book title is Outstanding User Interfaces with Shiny, and the author is Kenton Russell. So this is just to name what is available now. But you can always propose a favorite book. So I warmly suggest you to just sneak in, curious around, and join a book club to see, to meet new friends, people, and while learning a new book. So imagine for a moment that book clubs have the potential to save the world. It might sound like an exaggeration, but in the context of learning, they provide a neutral space where we can explore complex topics like Shiny, app development, for example, without fear of judgment. So they sort of become a beacon of collaboration and learning in our data science community. As you can see, I've chosen these two because they were my starting points. But as I mentioned, you can propose new books. if you like, and set up a book club. So in these book clubs, we have the opportunity to practice what we learn. We can engage about discussion about the topic, share our thoughts and opinions, and even project our emotion to the material. It's an environment that allowed us to step out of the complexity of our everyday lives and delve into the thought process behind a Shiny app creation. So it's the practical application of knowledge. And I have come to realize the invaluable benefits of such a collaborative learning environment. What is remarkable is that book clubs encourage us to see the learning path outside of the black and white. We understand that people are multifaceted, and by engaging with their perspective, we gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. So the book clubs offer more than just a platform, okay, to discuss about technical concepts. As a metaphorical language usually plays a significant role in this discussion. It's not just about what we learn, but also how we learn it. The role of the administrators in facilitating this discussion cannot be understated. They elevate the conversation and take things to the next level. I facilitated quite a few and enjoyed. So when we read together, we feel such a sense of autonomy and have the opportunity to talk about what we read and find solutions to problems, share understandings. It's about understanding the dynamics of learning and picking up a book that we might not be able to tackle alone. So book clubs foster a sense of community where members support and challenge each other to grow. Now, let me give you a glimpse into some of practical insights I gained from these book clubs. Let's imagine I found myself grappling with challenges in Shiny UI design, particularly such as optimizing HTML usage, as I'm not that practical. So how do I do? Through the collective expertise of the group, there are not only new learners, so that there might be experts that want to improve their understanding, to see they discover new little things that they might don't know. So I was able to overcome these hurdles and deepen my understanding of Shiny development. Just to show you, here you can see a very simple Shiny app. So this is the first part, so the UI, and here you can see the server. So these are the building blocks of an app. So you have like the structure of the app, and in the server you have the engine. So here, what I learned is basically what was about the reactivity, how to use an action button. So here I'm showing you the Shiny Live application here in this presentation, and you can see the full app here with some customizations, such as changing the color, changing the background, and this is the output of the app. So I can slide the value of the temperature, increase it, and then click on reset and put it back. So as you can see, this is a very simple things, but then you might be able to search for solution on the internet. But if you went through the documentation, maybe with someone else, and have a discussion, things might be easier. So finally, together we can achieve mastering, innovation, and impact. That the Shampoo Club offers us the opportunity to see the very best of people, We come together not just to learn, but to grow as individuals and as a community. So let's embrace the power of book clubs and continue our journey of discovery together. Thank you for joining me on this journey in the ever-evolving landscape of data science. Keep learning, keep growing, keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible. And thank you.